Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Noraem Fateyhah binti Azman, and my Matrix ID is 211291021. Okay, so today I will demonstrate the Lab4, which is board plot. Okay, so now we go to the MATLAB. Okay, so this is the coding for procedure 4.1.1. Okay, as we can see, there are numerator which is 1, denominator 40, 40, 10 and 0. Transfer function, numerator, denominator, and then what plot is G. Okay, so now I will run this. Okay, so this is the board diagram. Okay, now I will choose the characteristic and then choose the all stability margins, and we will see the point shows here, which is the phase margin is 68.2 and frequency is 0.0964, and then for gain margin is 20. Okay, so this is for part procedure 4.1.1. Okay, so this at the command window we can see the transfer function that shows here. Okay, next for exercise 4.1. Okay, so for numerator there are 300 and 300, and the numerator 157, 360, 500 and 0. Transfer function, numerator, denominator, and board plot is G. Okay, so now I will run this. Okay, so this is the board diagram, and as usual with the same method, choose the characteristic and choose the all stability margins. Okay, so for phase margin is 96.9 and frequency is 0.681. Okay, for gain margin is 35 dB. Okay, so that's for exercise 4.1. Okay, next. Okay, so this is the command window, which is it shows the transfer function for this part, which is exercise 4.1. Okay, next for this part, K is equal to 50. So from the calculation we get numerator 150 and 150. So denominator 157, 360, 500 and 0. And transfer function as usual, numerator, denominator, and board plot is G. So now we run this. Okay, so this is the board diagram that we got from this part. Okay, so as usual, characteristic and stability margins. And okay, for phase margin is 94.5 and frequency is 0.31, and gain margin is 41 dB. Okay, so that's it for this, for if K equal to 50. And this is the command window for transfer function for this part. Okay, next, if K is equal to 500, so as we can see that for numerator we got 1,500 and then 1,500. So denominator is 157, 360, 500 and 0, and transfer function is numerator, denominator, and board plot is G. Okay, so now we run this. Okay, so this is the board diagram, and as usual, bring out the characteristic and stability margin. Okay, for phase margin is 56.9 and frequency is 4.24, and gain margin is 21 dB. Okay, and next for the command window, the transfer function is is this as shown here. Okay, lastly is if K is equal to 1,500, so we get for numerator is 4,500 or 4,500, and denominator is 157, 360, 500 and 0, and as usual transfer function, numerator, denominator, and board plot is G. So now we run this part. Okay, sorry. So I run this. Okay, so this is the board diagram here. So as usual method, bring out all margin, and then this is for phase margin is 26.5 and frequency is 8.68, and then the gain margin is 11.5 dB, and for the command window, this is the transfer function. Okay, so that's all from me, and thank you.